Here it is. Dragonstone itself. Well, without the CGI. Aren't we supposed... Justina, that was on camera. Good.
That's how we get down there, you know.
You're getting me views, Justina. How does it make you feel?
You did the same.
Karma. I also fell.
It's karma.
They removed it. They removed the castle.
Oh.
They removed the church and they added a castle in CGI. Okay. Picture. Justina, picture.
Yeah. You know what? Yeah, good. How long is this going to take?
Okay, it's video. Let's go. Are we gonna walk the stairs?
Yes.
Let's do this shit. They were walking on the beach, basically. Yeah. So she came in, she was touched to see her, the place where she was born. She got on her knees, touched the sand.
Yep.
The rocks. And then walked up.
Yep.
We're almost there. We're almost to the top, to Dragonstone. Yay. Finally, King returns to his kingdom.
41.
Right. The father of dragons is here,
What are you doing?
spreading the light. What are you taking? What is this black magic?
It's black magic. I'm trying to
Turn into something that's
It's an
gonna beat.
antidote against you
Are
and
you
your.
trying to take my throne from me?
It's an
What is
antidote
that?
against your black magic. Easier.
Darling, take as many elixirs as you want. You can't match royalty. Blood is blood, and my blood is royal. You're not gonna take my throne from me with a simple elixir and a spray on your face. Bitch, talk to the hand.
Tell me.
We're gonna make something, but I need to call my dragons really quickly. I need to go a little bit higher so they can hear me. Yes. I'm gonna go up to the top. I'm gonna shout. They're gonna come. They're just around the corner, just eating some sheep. Dracarys. Don't do this to me. I have people looking. They're waiting for you to come. When I say show up, you show up. Did she only use Dracarys or did she say something else?
No, only the parents.
That's sad.
No, she also said, like, she said she's their mom.
Oh yes. Let me Google it.